Legends of Learning presents the Prismatic Tides game. This is a science game that makes learning about the use of light or sound to communicate over a distance fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, experience a magical journey in Prismatic Tides, where you join the wave riders to restore communication across FrequenSea. Solve puzzles by manipulating light and sound, guiding beams through prisms and portals to uncover hidden secrets. Assemble the ancient Harmonic Resonator to bring the world to life with melodies of light and sound. Dive into the adventure and explore a vibrant, enchanted ocean world. Are you ready to restore balance and unlock the mystery of FrequenSea? Use the mouse to click to adjust mirrors to help direct light and sound to complete each level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.